birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Grace. God bless and more blessings.
Happy
birthday, Ma'am Grace. More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday po! We wish you all the best. Alam namin po, blessed ka na sa lahat. So, pinaka-wish namin and lagi naming prayer, good health sa'yo and sa family mo. And, magkaroon na kayo ng baby girl. Baby girl! Yes, para may magmana ng mga kakikayan mo, madam. So, yun lang po. Wish namin na happy ka today sa birthday mo. Hindi ka namin istorbohin. Ganon. And then, yun lang.
Happy
We love
birthday!
you po.
We love you!
Mwah! Mwah!
Hi, Ate Grace. This is Hazy. I want to say big happy birthday to you. And I always really thankful about to being part of your family, and I'm so happy about that. I hope this year to bringing your joy, so much joy and love and pieces. God always blessing with you and with your family also. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Grace. Love you. Sing it to kayo. Bye.
Hey Grace, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Grace.
We love you.
We love you. And
Make more babies. Gotta add
Girl
to the family.
baby.
Make it.
Yeah.
Oh, you need a girl, huh? You want a daughter, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna pray for that. Happy birthday. God
from
bless.
America.
Yeah.
Hi, Ate Grace. This is Lin Lin from Singapore. So, I would like to greet you happy birthday and thank you sa buhay mo at saka sa blessings na sinishare mo po sa amin. Thank you po sa family Ibanez. Happy birthday, Ate Grace.
Go. My video greetings, especially for you, babe. Happy birthday to you. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, you're always close to my heart at alam na alam mo yan. Love na love kita. Okay? Alam mo yan. I always miss our bonding together, our loves, yung mga food trips natin, mga road trips natin. Palagi kong namimiss yun. Kasama tayo ni Peter and Micaela. I wish you the happiest year ahead, babe, and may your days be bright and beautiful as your heart. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Hello, birthday girl. Sayang wala ako dyan, but I'm sure you'll be having fun with your family as always. And I'm so happy for you to be supported in that way. In so many things, you guys are the most ideal siblings and of course family that I see in Palawan. And you're so fortunate to have that. And I wish you to have that continuously. Okay? For the rest of your life, to have that kind of support. Me naman, ano ba, ituloy na natin yung plano natin. Buy all the products for your hair para ako na ang mag-shampoo ng hair mo once a week. Okay. Sige, happiest birthday to you. I love you so much. Know that I'm always here for you and thank you very much for being gracious, graceful, Grace. Bye-bye. Mwah. Love you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging happy ka pa, tsaka good health sa'yo, tsaka sa family mo. I miss you. I love you. See you soon.
Go, nag-start na. Books na natin, dalawa na natin. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mami! Happy birthday, Mami! Oh, sino mo muna? Ikaw! Post mo muna. Happy birthday, Mami! Well, I want you to know how grateful I am na I've met you and that you are born in this world, that I have a wonderful friend in you. And I know that this year has been very hard for you and for your whole family. I just want you to know that I will always, always be here for you. We may have known each other for relatively short amount of time pa lang, but the time alone cannot put any measurement into how I view our friendship. Na it's amazing nga eh, na amazing talaga. No, but really, it's amazing. No, but seriously, parang I'm amazed on how bonded we are na, how parang I feel deep already yung friendship natin. And I love the fact that you also like to share your family with me. I appreciate knowing your sisters, and I love you more after seeing how good a sister you are to your family, and not just a good friend to me, pero that's how you are talaga. Very loving, very motherly, very caring, and I hope you know that. I hope you know that you are blessed in spite and despite of what happened this year, and that you are loved, and that I love you, and I will always be here. And cheers to more birthdays for us to celebrate, and sana ang kainan. Love you, Mami. Mwah.
Hi, Mommy. Thanks for being such a sweet and thoughtful friend. Thank you for your humor. It's never a dull moment pag magkakasama tayo. I love our no-filter friendship, that I can be who I am and I can say whatever I feel and what's on my mind. Sinasabayan mo ko umiyak sa mga kapalpakan sa life, and we also celebrate our small and big wins as well. You know, you say the nicest things about me when I'm not around. We even fought an argument and have my back without me knowing it. Surely you're a friend who will catch a grenade for me. Know that I love you and I cherish our friendship. Happy birthday, and I pray for your happiness, your peace of mind, more self-love, more travel, more money, more Hermes. All the good things in life because you deserve it. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bebe! My bubbly and crying lady best friend. I'm so blessed with your life that I can be myself and talk about life and walk natin sa Panginoon, di ba? Love you, Bebe! And ginawan kita ng birthday prayer ko using your name, Grace. So, great. This is a reminder as well na ang kayang gawin ng Diyos sa buhay mo. And G is for grow, na lalo gumanda yung relationship ko sa Panginoon. R is to rest in His promises. And A is to abide in Him daily, dahil siya yung tunay mo na makukunan ng lakas. And C is to carry His joy and strength, dahil kahit may iyak pa rin sa gabi, di ba? And E is to expect the best from the Lord para sa iyo and for your family. And always remember then yung sa John 1:16, the fulfillment of Jesus Christ gave us grace to grace. I love you, Bebe. Sana itong year na to ay marami pang surprises ang i-unfold sa'yo ng Panginoon. And syempre, strength and blessings. Love you. Greetings from Dubai.
Hi, Grace. On your special day, I would just like to say thank you for being a great friend. When we moved to Palawan, I was already, I don't know ilan bang taon na ako, but I was already an adult. So, I didn't really expect that I will gain a group of friends like C5. But I am so grateful that I found you guys. And I'm also grateful for all the times that we laughed together, cried together, went crazy together. My Palawan life is really more colorful and more meaningful and more fun because I have you and the whole of C5 as a friend. On your birthday, I wish you all the happiness and peace and joy, lahat na. lahat na ng gusto mo, all your heart's desire, because you really deserve it. So, happy birthday, and I'm always here for you. Love you!
Hi, B! Happy birthday! Nakoy kodigo ha. Pero kani akong kodigo, ako sa ning search nga ma-fit sa imo ha. Happy birthday, B! I hope your day is filled with everything that makes you smile, just like you make everyone else smile with your kindness and generosity. Thank you kaayo, B, nga wala bitaw ka naghuwat nga ingnon, ikaw na lang ang ni-offer na ako. Salamat kaayo nga imo jud kong gipaanha sa time nga na problema ko unsaon ako pag ana. Drama kay ko no, basta oy maura to niya. Salamat kaayo niya. Bless kay ka, kung baga sa puno ay dili man ikaw ang ugat, ikaw ang sanga nga gi-bless og daghang bunga. I wish you good health. Mao na siya always no. I wish mo sa na birthday, syempre good health para long life. Again, B, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your loved ones, with your family. Tanan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Grace.
Sige ikaw. Your turn.
Happy birthday, Ate Grace. Thank you for everything. I hope you're always blessed.
Mama. Chup.
Happy birthday, Cass! Wala pa jud ko matog kay gipaabot ako ng alas 12. Magluod unya ka nako. Bitaoy, happy birthday. Unta, I wish na ko nimo kuan good health. Ayaw kayo nauna sa mga problema. Ayaw palabig pasapot. Kay matiguan nga kagdali parehas tako. Enjoy lang sa kinabuhi. O kuan sa paman ako isulti nimo ha. Basta kay bawo na ka. Naara ko dili man ko showy ninyo pero naara ko sa akong matabang. Willing ko mutabang. Siguro karon nga birthday murag goal birthday nimo goal para nato tanan kay syempre wala na imong mama pero balo ko nga okay na siya dito unta may nahinay madawat tato pohon. Maura na kasi happy birthday, love you, amping Perni. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mami Kulot.
Happy birthday, sis. Hope you have many more birthdays to come, and I miss you. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grace. Enjoy your day. Wish you good health and stay beautiful. Happy birthday from Ochea family.